It's hard to believe that it happened, and then you just snap to it and start taking in everything. I was heading to work, just like any other day, take the same route I've always taken, and Big Mac truck just crossed over the divider and hit me head on. It was one of those things where you just kind of like, you're driving, and then all of a sudden it sounds like you got lightning, and your car's 10 feet over from where you last were. You don't know what happened to you, just the whole shock to your body. A friend of mine who was a paralegal who was working for a different firm, her and her boss were able to refer me to Connecticut trial firm. They felt relatable. I didn't feel like I was dealing with, some attorney who was looking at me just as, another opportunity to, pad his docket. And it was probably the most intensive, high-level service I've ever experienced. There wasn't anything that I asked of them that they didn't have an answer for. It's what I needed, especially just dealing with the anxiety of the uncharted territories of having never been in a situation like this before. They were there for me 100%.